This is a very, very nice question to ask. So this person is trying to ask me, I guess he has read somewhere or watched a particular video where an astrologer obviously has talked about Mercury retrograde, and the recommendation is that nobody should buy gadget at this period of time. So is this true? Is this false? You're going to hear it from me. So trust me, I'm one of the best numerologists out there, and based on the study of numbers, I make very accurate predictions. I'm going to start with the term retrograde first. So we need to understand certain fundamental knowledge before we can draw conclusions from them. So retrograde, based on our astronomy term, is planets moving backward, or opposite direction that they should be moving towards. Now, we all know that astrology has nothing to do with the real planet, but it has a symbolic representation of the new planet. So astrology borrowed the term retrograde to also explain certain events, to you as a person. Now, what that means is that there are certain period of time when things seem to move backwards. So the effect is moving backward. It means that, for example, if you have a particular business and there is an issue with the business, it means that the business is going to move backward. If you have a particular gadget and there is an issue with the gadget, it means that it's moving backward. So things that usually move the opposite direction technically is what people refer to as, or astrologers refer to as, retrograde. So it's moving the opposite direction to what it used to be. So it's supposed to be progressing, rather it is moving backward. And the whole analysis is that it spoils things, right? It scatters things. It gives setbacks. That's what it means technically. Now, if you want to solve that problem, you have to also understand why that is happening so that you can solve it. Is retrograde really happening, or is it going to happen at this period of time? You're going to learn also in this way. Now, have it in mind that this happens almost every month, technically, right? And it's just astrology that makes it a lot more complex. In the study of numbers, or in 7 schemas of methodology, I refer to those period of time as challenging period, because it doesn't go the way you expect. It goes the other way around. And can it be avoided? Can it be worked on? Yes, as long as you're able to pinpoint the exact period it's going to happen, or you're going to feel it both personally and at the universal level. If you're able to understand it, you will know how to address it. So in my next video, I'm going to explain the month that it happened this month of February. I'm also going to explain a few particular months that's going to happen next month. So there's no rocket science about it. And I'm going to also explain how to work with it to be at your best, so that it doesn't go the other way around. It doesn't retrograde, as astrologers will call it. So anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Anyway, if you want to get details on how the calendar affects you, you want to be in alignment, you want to be at your best, days, month, years, you can use the 7 schema portal. Just search that on Google, 7 schema portal, and then you get details about how these things really work. I'll see you all in my next video. Anyway, you'll be surprised how accurate all these information are. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.